Hello, everybody, how you guys been doing? Welcome back to our channel Tech It's Simple. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Xfinity account. So basically just search for Xfinity. I'm going to be telling you guys what Xfinity is, alright. So basically for those people who do not Xfinity is also known as Comcast. So if you guys are confused and don't get confused, Xfinity and Comcast are saying basically Xfinity is known as a Comcast cable communication, doing business as Xfinity, alright. And it's an American telecommunication company and division of Comcast Cooperation. And it is used to market consumer cable television, internet telephone, which means it provides the television service like those cable TV and internet service, telephone service, as well as wireless service. Alright, so that's basically what Xfinity does. So let me show you guys how we guys can log in into our Xfinity account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech It's Simple, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on with today's video. First step, you want to search for Xfinity. After you search for X, there's going to be login to Xfinity button over here. You need to click on it. And it's going to take you to the login page of Xfinity. Alright. Now once you're over here, basically what you want to do is you need to enter your email, or your mobile number, or your username, whichever thing you find easy. You can enter that and click on Let's Go. Once cyclical, Let's Go on the next step is going to ask him for the password of your account. Over here, you can enter the password of your account here. And if you want to keep yourself signed in, you can tick mark this box. What it does is every single time we come into Xfinity, you don't have to log in into your account. If you tick mark this, you come into Xfinity account, your account will open up automatically. You just have to log in into once and you're good to go. Alright, so after doing that, just click on sign in. And you should be able to log in into Xfinity account if the email and password you entered over here is correct. So that's how we guys can log in into Xfinity account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And if any part of this video confused you guys, you can ask us in the comment. Alright? And if you want to create yourself a new Xfinity account, you can always click and create a new Xfinity ID. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.